How to fix curved nail. In this part, you will learn transform this nail into this nail. I promise it's the most informative nail tutorial video you've ever seen. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Leave a comment for me and like this video. Right now we are sizing the proper dual forms. We should size the dual form correctly. And as you can know, there are so many types of dual forms. We use this type that you can see right now. There is another types of dual form that's more curved and we don't want to use it because we want to transform the down-grown nail into the normal nail plate. For this transform, we don't need to curve dual form. We need a little more flat dual form, and we choose the previous type of the dual form, not this one. Okay, we use the previous type of dual form. As I said, we want to cut part of the dual form because we want to use a new technique for transforming curved nail into the normal nail plate. Please and please don't use your manicure scissor. Choose a scissor to cut the dual forms that you don't use it for manicure. After cutting the down part of the dual form, we put it in the right place, right there that you can see the video. And I should notice that we did some steps before this video. I mean that we did cuticle preparation or manicure and nail plate preparation and base layer. You should know that we cure base layer and lamp correctly and very well. And then we size the dual forms as you see at the first of this video. Right now we want to sculpting in the dual form and put polygel in it and apply it on the nail plate. This nail plate is downgrown as I said, and we want to transform it into the normal nail plate. We use the proper amount of polygel. It's a hard gel, you know, it's not moving in the dual form and it's more easier than builder gel or any other types of medium gels or even soft gels. Okay, we put the proper amount of polygel in the dual form. We use gel brush to shape the polygel. The amount of polygel totally depends on the length of the nail that you want to have at the end. But what is important in this part is that all part of the dual forms should be sculpting, and you should put proper amount of polygel inside walls and free agent everywhere in the dual form. Don't forget to cover dual form correctly and very well. Before you apply the dual forms, be careful that you put it in the right place. All parts of the stress area and stress points should be covered by the dual form and polygel that's in it. You should put the dual forms in a place that's exactly parallel to the fingers line. This is the most important part of this tutorial. Be careful. In this step, we don't push down the dual form. We should try to put it in the way that the nail plate looks straight and normal. Don't forget that it's not a normal nail extension. We are transforming a down-grown nail into the normal nail. So the dual form placement is a little different. We check the structure of the nail from the side view. It's correctly in the right position. You can use a wood stick or wood nail stick to see how beautifully this nail is transformed easily by this technique and using dual forms. After apply the dual form and before we cure it in lamp totally, we should check under the nail. And by using gel brush, we should fix and shape the polygel again. And be careful that polygel don't stick on the hyponychium. This is the gel brush that I use in this part of tutorial. You can see the shape, the quality, and the number of this brush. Clean the nail plate and get ready to file the sidewalls. Here is my favorite step, filing step. I use a natural nail hand file. It's a little more thinner than normal hand file and it's more easy to use. Almond nail shape is one of the common and one of the most favorite nail shape in nail salons. And you, as a nail technician or even a nail lover, should know how to file this shape. Right now I'm using a thin layer of base coat or clear rubber base. I just use it in the area that you see in the video. Then cure this layer in the lamp and get ready for the next step. I want to use builder gel to cover up and strengthening the nail structure. First, I use a thin layer of builder gel to make a slip layer and make a better result. Then I put a big drop of builder gel on the nail plate and use gel brush to shape it and bring it from the root area to the free edge. For a perfect leveling, I rotate the finger and use a liner brush to leveling correctly. So we did the mission correctly. You can see how beautifully this nail is transformed. I wanna say it's a magic. You can see the middle finger shape and you can see the shape of this nail that I work with it. Right now I'm applying a thin layer of top coat on the nail. For a perfect leveling of top coat, we should rotate the finger again and then we cure this layer and lamp totally. I hope the most beautiful viewers in the world enjoy this tutorial.
Thank you, Baji. Bye.